3 months ago, nobody knew who I was in property. 0 deals, no investor list, no online presence. Today, investors DM me asking how they can fund my next project. This isn't theory. This is a real case study you can follow step by step. Let's get something clear right now. Credibility isn't about how many deals you've done. It's about how much proof of action people can see. And that proof? It builds trust, even if you're brand new. I call this the 3-stage credibility framework: visibility, validation, authority. Write those 3 words down. You'll need them. Today, I'm breaking down each stage and showing you the exact moves I made to go from invisible to investable in just 90 days. Before this transformation, I was like most new investors, scrolling through Rightmove endlessly, watching webinars, analyzing deals in silence, but never showing my work. Here's the brutal truth I learned. You can't earn trust in private. People only believe what they can see you doing. So I made a decision. I document every single stage. Not my success, but my process. What happened next changed everything. The biggest struggle? Silence. I'd message agents, no reply. Reach out to investors, ghosted. Post something online, 0 engagement. Sound familiar? I realized something crucial. Credibility isn't something you earn later. It's something you build from day one. The more you hide, the slower you grow, so I flipped the script. Step 1, document. Don't disappear. I started posting short updates, what I was learning, viewing, analyzing, no filters, no pretending, just my process. Within 3 weeks, people started commenting, "Love the transparency." That's credibility forming. Step 2, borrow authority. I partnered with one experienced investor on a small deal. Instantly, my name was attached to results. Their credibility rubbed off. That's the power of collaboration. Step 3, proof of work. I shared deal breakdowns, spreadsheets, comparables, cash flow analysis. Even when deals didn't go through, the analysis showed competence. This next step took me from invisible to recognized in 30 days. Step 4, consistency publicly. I committed to 2 posts per week, non-negotiable. Within 30 days, the agents started recognizing my name. Visibility equals familiarity. Familiarity equals trust. Step 5, funnel trust into action. I released a free 12-step deal sourcing checklist. Real value, real downloads. 140 in 2 weeks. Proof again, credibility attracts opportunity. Here's the psychology behind why this works. People don't invest in properties, they invest in people. When they see transparency, effort, and consistency, that's when trust kicks in. And once trust exists, everything compounds. Deals, funding, partnerships. Think about this. Credibility isn't a badge you earn later. It's a signal you broadcast now. Every post, every update, every share. It all adds to your trust bank. Imagine being in that place where investors message you first. "Hey, what deals are you working on?" That's not luck. That's authority compounding from consistency. The sooner you start showing your journey, the faster people start believing in it. If you're ready to start building your credibility, hit like right now. Let me know you're serious about this. If you're serious about building credibility from 0, download my free property deal calculator and 12-step deal sourcing checklist. They're the exact tools I use to go from unknown to trusted investor in 90 days. Links are in the description. I'll see you in the next video. Authority isn't built by shouting, it's built by showing. Start small, stay visible, and let your consistency do the talking. This is educational content only. I'm not your financial or legal advisor. Property values and income vary. Always do your own research and seek professional advice before investing.